Newspaper overall theme. The video is a YouTube-style monthly newsletter for the month of April, personalized for a user named Pradeep Suri. It is part of an automatically generated content summary or engagement recap, from a platform like YouTube. Puzzle piece element by element breakdown. 1 red circle YouTube icon, top left corner. It indicates that the content is related to YouTube activity, perhaps videos watched, uploaded, or engaged with during April. 2 calendar monthly newsletter, April, top right corner. Labels the document as a monthly report or newsletter, specifically for April. 3 framed picture profile image, center. A rounded square frame surrounds the profile picture of Pradeep Suri, set inside a glowing, stylized box. This adds a personalized and modern visual effect, making the newsletter feel tailored. 4 bust in silhouette name, Pradeep Suri, below the profile picture. Clearly identifies the recipient of the newsletter, reinforcing personalization. 5 memo message, your April month in review is here. A prominent and bold message in large font indicates that this newsletter includes a summary of activity or highlights for April. It uses engaging and direct language to invite the user to scroll or continue reading. 6 chart increasing section heading, most watched video, lower section. This is likely the next section header, introducing the user's most viewed or popular video for April. The red loading indicator on the right suggests that the section is still in progress or yet to be fully displayed. Brain purpose and design intent. This image is designed to engage users with a friendly, personalized update. Give a snapshot of their content interaction on a platform, YouTube. Encourage them to view their own highlights or popular content. Provide a clean, modern UI/UX design that mimics an app or dashboard look. Thank you.